Family, this is Unity and this is a Queen's order. I haven't been doing a lot of Queen's order, y'all, because I've been so busy with so many things. So I want to show y'all this Queen order. So I get a lot of people asking me about wholesale. I'm not doing custom wholesale at the moment because I'm so busy, but I do have a listing on the Etsy shop that you could get 12 assorted pair for a reasonable price. And what I do, I just pick some, mix up a nice little batch, and I send them out to y'all. So y'all really don't kind of know what y'all gonna get, but it's kind of cool because it's kind of like a surprise. So I'm gonna show y'all some of the pieces that this package is going to Ohio. This particular sister ordered. So this is one of the pairs that she's going to get. And then that's the back. Another one, which is on Etsy. They are so beautiful. That's another pair. This is another pair that's on K.Noir Designs. And this is one of my stencils from my stencil sheet. So if y'all purchase the whole stencil sheet, then y'all can get this sister right here. But these are so fly. And this say Unbothered Queen. Y'all see that? And then that's the back. So these are listed on knoirdesigns.com. Also, these right here are Melanin Queen. She got these. And then she got these right here. They're like a beautiful African print. A pop of purple on the back with gold. And then another pair right here. Black Lives Matter, Power to Black People. And then she got these right here. Because I don't use people logos. We have to be really careful with that. No Gucci, no none of that. I don't make stuff with that on it because a long time ago I got copyright infringed by Gucci, so I don't use no Gucci, no Chanel, no Fendi, none of that. So this kind of represent AKA, and it's just the colors with an elephant, or it just could represent beautiful art. I don't use people logos because I know that's copyright infringement. So that's another beautiful pair, and these are on boabwart.com. And then this is another pair that she got in her package called Hip Hop Queen. It's the back. And this is another pair. The Rasta Meditation Man. And then she got this pair right here. Soul Sisters. Hey, sisters, soul sisters. With my mermaid writing. And she got this pair right here. Which is kind of like, if you followed the Kwanzaa series, the DIY Kwanzaa series, this kind of look like the Unity, but it's a little different. And then that's the back. I'm holding my foam, y'all, because I was doing something really quick. So I said, let me do this quick Queen's order, because this order finna get ready to go out. And then this is the last pair this beautiful sister got, Unapologetically Black. And this right here was a stencil from my Goddess collection that's on K.Noir Designs. So the thing about the stencils, sometimes people don't even know. Many people can use the stencils, but everybody got their own creativity way of how they want to do them. So, and then it's the back. So this order is going to Ohio. Thank you, beloved, for your support. Like I say, if y'all want to get a wholesale assorted order, the link is in the description box. All right, y'all. Salam, salam.